So tonight I'm going to show you how, when you're building an engine, or if you're just dropping in a used engine or whatever the case may be, and you're trying to find where to put the distributor at and set the timing, show you how to do it on the first try to get a good start, so you're not having to guess on where to set the distributor at. So the first thing you want to do is put your engine on top dead center on 0 on compression stroke. So how to find compression stroke is you could either pull your first spark plug out and put your finger over the hole, rotate the engine until you feel air blow out. But you want to look for your number 1 spark plug wire. So this is number 1 right here on this post. What I do is I come to the distributor, and I come over and I mark it on the cap, on the base. Now, if you have a single piece cap, obviously you would just do the one cap. This is a 2-piece cap, so I mark the top cap as well as the bottom cap. You want the rotor button to be pointing at that number 1 spot. So now we're pointing at the number 1 spark plug wire. It's fully seated in the block, because as you drop this down, it rotates as you drop it in. So you kind of got to go a tooth off from where you actually want it. So when you drop it, when you pick it up, it's going to be pointing more toward this way. When you drop it in, it will rotate itself around. And so you might have to play with it a couple of times to get it just right. On this engine, I'm going to set it at 12 degrees before top dead center. So what we got to do is actually go back past our mark and then come up to 12 degrees on the pointer. And the way on mine it counts by 2s, so it'll be the 1 mark next to the 10. All right, so if we look, see we're on 12 degrees before top dead center. Here and look at our distributor. You can see how this has now turned, so we gotta line this back up. It's important to note, this is not gonna be an exact timing set. Once the engine is running, you will have to fine tune it. It might not be on 12, it might be on 10, it might be on 14, but this is to get it in the ballpark of where it needs to be. When you put gas to this engine and hit the key, it will fire up just like you pulled it in. It is good enough to start it. It will start and you can run it to make your adjustments and fine tune everything instead of having to guess where to set the distributor. That's all there is for this one. Until next time, take care.